in evaluating. So we will substitute the value of negative 2 to the variables x. So we write it as 5. We will substitute negative 2 in the value of x. So this will give us negative 2 exponent to minus 2 negative 2 plus 1. Continue. Negative 2 raised to 2 will give us positive 4 minus negative 2 times negative 2 will give us positive 4. You can use your calculator to double check. Plus 1. Now let us simplify. This will give us 20 plus 5. So this will give us the value of 25. Next is we will substitute the value of 3 to the variables x on this expression. So this will give us 3 raised to 3, copy the exponent, minus 2, x here will be 3, exponent of 2, copy, plus 3, and the constant 6. Now let's simplify. 3 raised to 3 will give you 27 minus 2. 3 raised to the power of 2 will give you 9. Let's combine this. 3 plus 6 will give you 9. Simplify. 27. This will give us 18. 2 times 9 is 18. Plus 9. Now let's simplify everything. Negative 9, 27. This will give us positive 18. Positive 18. So the value will be positive 18 when your P has a value of 3. The idea of the remainder theorem is that you can directly solve for the remainder when you divide this expression polynomial with 2x minus 1 without using or solving it through synthetic division. So again, this is our dividend and this is our divisor. We will use this divisor so that we can already solve for the value of the remainder. We will equate this to x minus 1 equals to 0. Let's solve for the value of x. This will give us 2x is equal to positive 1. Divide both sides by 2, and we can have the value of x is equals to 1/2. Using the remainder theorem, we state that RP here with the value of 1/2, we will evaluate the dividend like what you did earlier. So your value of x here from the divisor, we will substitute it in this expression of our dividend. So I substituted 1/2 to all the values of x here. We have 1/2 raised to 3 from this expression. 3 times 1/2 with the exponent of 2 plus 1/2 from here. Then we have the constant 6. Let me show you how to input this on a scientific calculator. So let's have open and close parentheses to make sure. 1 for the fraction, 2 exponent, this key of 3. This will give us 1/8. So we will write 1/8 for this expression. Continuing, 1/2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 1/4 plus 1/2 plus 6. Let's simplify. Copy first. Multiply. This will give us 3/4 plus 1/2 plus 6. You can use a calculator here to get the correct value. So I input here 1/8 minus over 4, close parenthesis, plus 1/2, then plus 6 equals. This will give us 5. This is 5 and 7/8. Let's press this key. For the decimal, it will be 5.875. Shift this key again, and this will give us 47/8. So the remainder for this expression, if you will use a synthetic division, the remainder will be 47/8. Let's do the recall. So the given divisor, that is 2x minus 1, I equated it into 0, get the value of x, so we have 1/2. After getting the x is equals to 1/2, we will substitute it to our dividend. The goal here is to get the remainder of the dividend and the divisor without using or going through the synthetic division. Just follow carefully and you can get the remainder of this problem.